With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If we talk about this question, this given question is the friction that results from two surfaces being pressed against each other while sliding. So let there be two blocks. Okay, so this one is the first block and this one is the second block. Okay, and let these two blocks be sliding over each other. Okay, then there will be a surface which is frictional, I can say, which is non-smooth. So there will be some coefficient of friction also. Okay, so when these two are sliding, okay, then kinetic friction will come into act. Kinetic friction will come into act, which will resist their relative motion of the two blocks. Okay, which try to resist the relative motion between two blocks. Okay, will oppose. Friction will act. This kinetic friction will act in the direction opposite to that of the motion. Opposite to that of the motion. Okay, suppose if this particular block is going in this particular direction, okay, then the friction on this particular block will be in this direction, and since this block is going in this direction, therefore friction on this particular block will be in this direction. Okay, so for block A, the block is moving in this left direction, but the friction is on right direction. Okay, and similarly for block B, the block B is moving in right direction, but the frictional force is acting in the left direction. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.